What's up, gamers? It's me, ACC, and today, today we're not gonna be playing. We're not gonna play Roblox. I just got a Friday Night Funkin' mod,
How about this club? Ooh,
and
this club is so cool.
this is my favorite mod because this is my favorite mod. This is my favorite mod.
I think it's better than the club.
Ate, what's this mod called? Witty. The Witty mod. The Witty mod. The Witty mod. So yeah. This is my favorite mod. And yeah.
Your only mod.
My only mod. My only mod. Because I don't have any mods. I don't have any other mods. Skip this. Skip. I want to skip everything. So guys, I'm gonna skip everything.
Can you see yourself in this club?
See? That's skipping. I skip everything.
That club is supposed to be about photography, but they spend all their time just goofing around. No, I want to be in a club that teaches people. Do you think you will join this club? What's anyway? Wasn't here last year. Doors are always locked. It sounds like there's someone.
I got only 2 misses. I only got 2 misses. No, I got 3 misses. Alright.
The man.
Are you interested in this?
I got 9 misses. What the heck?
The only place that would scare me more than the occult club. I'm genuinely worried that one of their crazy experiments will work.
Speaking of witty,
You know,
I'm gonna go play Roblox in high school. This is not later. First, I'm explaining myself. This is a open music in the bathroom. See what I want to do. First, I'm right. I'm playing and I'm playing and eating. Right after I'm playing and eating every day. Sometimes I'm playing and eating. Come on. So yeah. And guys, I already got the witty mod. So yeah. This is what I'm gonna eat. Chicken. Jollibee chicken. That's Jollibee chicken. He said chicken. So it's chicken. Wait. No thanks. Why am I only black? This is normal chicken. Why is it black?
What do you think of this club? Oh,
so yeah, I made witty in Roblox in high school, right, Ate? Right, Ate? Yeah. I mean, there you are. What do let me? Oh, who's this giant guy? Who's this giant enormous guy?
it was my pleasure. I'm really glad to hear that you feel better. Come on, let's go. Now that you mention it, yeah, there is something you can help with. I lost my phone charger. It's in the
You think I did it?
I know that I lost
Oh,
it
there's
in
Bendy.
the hedge maze, but I don't want to go back in
Bendy
there.
and the
It's
Asian.
scary.
I can only see Bendy's
There for
head, though.
hours.
And his arm, but his arm is gray. I don't know.
Would you be willing to go to
Anyway,
the
I
hedge
should
maze
like that.
and get my phone charger?
There, that's better.
Really? You'll do it? You're a bluff. Good luck.
Guys, even I made this.
Hey!
And even I made um um so Ate made this for me, and I call this meme. I call this meme, and
Let me get this straight.
and this is my
You want
outfit
me to put
and
this thing into my
better at
ear
talking, so you
so
can
you can
see
tell me what to say when I'm talking to you.
that's this.
That's
I want to
just
wear
crazy
that.
enough to work.
So okay.
Okay,
And I
let's
made
do it.
Pico
Make friends with her and arrange
on
a meeting.
Friday night
Oh,
something.
and if you find a
That's
guy
just
you're
a
into,
Pico.
please let me know.
Oh, so that's Pico, and let's keep. I was trying to make bump, so yeah, and I can't do it because look, those are gray, not real, not that pump space. So yeah, so first I'm gonna eat egg. Oh, I don't know what's this,
Why are you interrupting me?
and I don't even
You
know
will
what's
meet the level
bending.
requirement for joining my guild.
Okay, guys, that's for all on this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.